Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Marina and I am from the beautiful Beverly Hills. I know this video has a bit of a different style intro, so let me know in the comments below if you like this. In this video, I wanted to quickly share with you my favorite go-to breakfast recipes. They're quick, they're easy, they're healthy, they're tasty, and most importantly, they help me stay full and satisfied, which help me stay fit and skinny and healthy. It's almost 10 a.m. here in Beverly Hills, which is my breakfast time, and I'm really hungry. I've actually just completed a quick 18-minute ab workout. And no, I don't normally get all glammed up just for a workout. This morning, I had a really early photo shoot, so that is why I'm all dressed up. But anyway, I'm hungry now, so let's go make breakfast. I'll show you. Oh, I totally forgot to mention. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, okay, I'm done here. Let's go. So let's start off with this creamy, beautiful chia seed pudding. For this you will need obviously some chia seeds, and also I'm adding some pumpkin spice for some extra flavor. Now I'm adding some yogurt, and this is what makes it so rich and so creamy. Then I'm adding some milk and placing it in the fridge overnight. The next day, it should look something like this. It's so rich and so creamy. And now I'm just gonna add some yummy toppings and decorations. But I'm not done yet. And now I'm just adding some granola for a nice crunch, and also my favorite creamy peanut butter. Oh, and also pomegranate seeds and some hemp hearts. It's such a beautiful, yummy dessert. It's so rich and creamy, yet it has the crunchy textures, and it's filled with healthy fats and yummy fruits. It's really like having a dessert for breakfast. Next up are these healthy pancakes. They're completely gluten-free, sugar-free, and dairy-free. It only requires a handful of ingredients. I'm actually making my own oat flour by blending some oats in a blender. I'm not using any sugar, so instead I'm gonna mash up the super ripe banana. This will provide a yummy sweet flavor. Now adding a couple of eggs for extra protein. I'm adding cinnamon for a little bit extra flavor. And also chia seeds because they are so rich in healthy fats and fiber. I also decided to add some baking powder to help the pancakes rise. Okay, let's make some pancakes. Now it's time to add toppings and decorations. As you can see, I added some bananas, and now I'm adding some microwave berries, which actually resemble like a berry jam and syrup, but without all the sugars. And then I'm drizzling a little bit of honey and also my favorite creamy almond butter. Next up is probably my favorite breakfast of all. I eat this the most out of all of them. And it's probably the easiest out of all of them too. It's just some oats, some chia seeds, a little bit of pumpkin spice again for flavor or cinnamon. And then I just cook it on the stove with some water and a little bit of plant-based milk. Oh, and also I like to add about a half of a banana for some extra sweetness. Now for toppings, I'm adding some microwave blueberries, and again they resemble like a blueberry jam but without all the sugars. Then adding some hemp hearts and also some pomegranate seeds for a nice crunch. And I always add a big spoon of my favorite creamy almond butter. Also adding some strawberry hearts for presentation. And lastly, a splash of milk to complete my breakfast. If you think that oatmeal is gross and boring, you must try this recipe. Oh, and speaking of oatmeal, did you know oatmeal can actually be poisonous? Make sure to watch my previous video to find out how. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.